Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be harvesting one of the buckets of the single seed potato challenge. It's hosted by Steve Digwell over at Digwell Green Fingers, and I've got 11 buckets in here, and I'm just going to take one for today. Right, so I'll get the bucket out of there and get the camera set up. Right then guys, so this is bucket number 1 from the single seed potato challenge, hosted by Steve at Digwell Green Fingers. Had a bit of a job getting it out of there. I forgot that I'd fed the hose pipe through all the handles of all the buckets, so that was quite challenging. But I'm just going to remove the tops of these and take out the straw, and this is just going to give me a rough idea of what the rest of the pots look like. Straight away, very nice sized potato. So they're all like that. Doesn't seem to be any damage to them. These are big potatoes. Still not sure on the variety, what variety they are. Steve hasn't really given much away. Well, that's it from bucket number 1, I think. Seems like they're definitely a big potato. Definitely a few nice ones there. Have a closer look now. There's some pretty decent potatoes there. I'm going to leave the rest, get these weighed up and leave the rest of them. But I am also going to harvest one of the buckets of Kondors. See, this one here is dying back now, and that one I've already cut the tops off that a couple of days ago. So we'll harvest that bucket. So get that over there. Right, so these are the Kondors from Dean over at Sheepy's Allotment. He sent me these at the beginning of the year. Foliage didn't really grow much, so not really expecting anything too big. On. Right then guys, sorry about that. And visitor. So that's the Kondor potatoes. Not as big as I was expecting, but some seed for next year there. Majority of them probably will get kept for seed. And these are potatoes off the single seed potato challenge. I will weigh them up, but I won't put them on the end of this video because they will all be getting put together, and I'll do one video at the end when Steve wants the results in. Right then guys, so that's it for this one today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.